Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So this is the error 195. So the possible cause, there are some possible cause that you can learn. For example, this may be caused by your system antivirus software, firewall settings, or the AMD servers are temporarily offline for maintenance. So in this case, the point 4 here, the AMD servers may be temporarily offline due to maintenance. You have to wait, so you cannot do anything. Just wait for the AMD servers running normally. But if you are using the AMD Auto Detect and Install tool, you can download the full AMD driver instead of Auto Detect in here. So you can try to search your graphic card manually instead of the Auto Detect and Install driver update here. Don't use this, I recommend you. Just try to install the graphic based on your graphic card, for example Radeon RX 7000 series and 7700 XT. Submit, and based on your operating system here, download the AMD server Adrenaline edition in here. This is the latest version. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.